Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find all the map pieces in the Lana quest on Dress to Impress. Is she just going to wait outside? Yes. You want? Let's just go to the left first because she's waiting for me there. We are going to go to the left side of whatever this place is, and we're going to go to the cafeteria. Then you're going to be able to see a map piece on the table here. Great. Then after that, you are going to go to the right where she was. I'm just going to run. Oh my gosh. What? How? I was so far. I don't get it. You know what? It's fine. Let's go to the right side of the room. And we're going to go to room 3. There will be a map piece behind the bed. I only have 2 lives left. The rest will be upstairs. So you're going to go to the 2nd floor. Hopefully she doesn't come for me here. I'm just going to go to the storage room first, which is in the middle here. And you'll see a map piece here. Great. Then you're going to go to the right side from here. Well, to the left actually. Then you're going to go to the bathroom. You're going to go to the furthest stall here and you're going to collect the map piece. Then you're going to go to the room next to the bathroom, which is the recreational room. You'll find a map piece underneath these boxes. She needs to stop screaming. The other one is kind of on the other side of the 2nd floor. Hopefully I make it without dying, but just gonna go here quietly and we're going to go here. And we'll find the last piece. Oops. That is it. I'm not going to do the run scene because you just need to go to the door there and I don't want to go there. I don't want to be chased. And I've done this like a million times, so that is it for this video. That's where you can find all the map pieces in the Chapter 2 Lana quest. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.